everyone, and welcome to 2-Minute Tips with the Qualtrics Experience community. Today, we're building a guided intercept. This is the easiest way to start collecting feedback on your website because it combines the visual design and the display logic into one simple step-by-step process.
Here, we will select the Website and App Insights project and get started. We'll have to put a name to our project. Here, we will select the card of Collect User Feedback. Here, I recommend that you use the new editor as it is a one-stop shop for you to create your intercept and it guides you along the process. Here, we'll have to name our project, select if it is for a website or an app, and select what type of intercept do we want. I will select Overlay for this case and create it. This is our editor console. Let's click Appearance for now. For this case, I will select Feedback button. Here, we'll be able to see a preview of where do we want to put the button and how it will look. We can edit the color, and we can also see how the survey will be displaying, if it is in a slider, an overlay, or a new window. I will select slider for now and click Save. Now let's connect it to our survey and click Add Connection. Here, choose an existing survey and select your survey and save it. Now let's add the targeting logic. I'll be displaying this for the URL. So I will use this URL and show it to everyone that is on that URL and save it. Now let's add some embedded data. In here, you will be able to put any embedded data that you're collecting for your customers or new one. For example, you can add the browser that they are using and save it. It is worth mentioning that in the right of your screen, you will see the Guidance tab. In here, you can click and see what is happening in each process and where you should direct to. For now, I will skip the intercept settings as I will not connect it to the Xen directory. Now, let's test our intercept. We'll go to the Test tab, drag this button to the top of our screen, and go to our desired page where we want to put the intercept. In the desired page, we'll click the button that we added in the top of our screen, and this window will pop up. If all the parameters pass, we'll see our intercept. And here, we'll be able to test it. For example, in here, you can see that it is a slider, and we can answer our survey and submit it. And that's how easy it is. Now, the only missing step is to publish it. And to deploy this, you will go to the Deployment tab and pass this snippet code to your web development team.
And that's how quickly you can create a professional-looking feedback intercept for your website.